Welcome to a regular broadcast of the NOVA Airmada's channel into the history of 1/400 scale model aircraft. Today we cover the lifetime career of the 1/400 scale AeroClassics Northeast Airlines Douglas DC-9-15, wearing what is widely known as the Yellowbird livery that Northeast wore in the early 1970s up to their merger with Delta Airlines. AeroClassics produced this model in 2001. The aircraft is powered by two Pratt Whitney JT8D series low bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 14,000 pounds force or 62 kilonewtons. Each aircraft has a passenger capacity of up to 109 passengers maximum in an all-economy layout, but this usually tops out at 90 passengers for a one-class layout. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 484 knots or 897 kilometers an hour, with a range around 1,300 nautical miles or about 2,400 kilometers with a standard payload. As a note for collectors, while this is the only recognized model of this particular aircraft as of April 2023, AeroClassics has made other Northeast Airlines DC-9s with different registration numbers and all of the -31 subtype. Originally, this aircraft was going to be purchased by Spanish-flagged Iberian Airlines with the registration of EZ-BAX. However, neither the purchase was made nor was the registration used for this aircraft. So then the effective original owner of this DC-9-15 was Northeast Airlines when delivery was made on December 29th of 1966, with the registration of November 8953U placed on the port and starboard engines. The initial livery, as seen in these photos, was the Yellowbird livery that Northeast wore starting that same year. This would be the only livery that this aircraft would carry during its time with Northeast Airlines. 7 months later, in July of 1967, the aircraft would be leased by Delta Airlines and painted in their DC-9 variation of the widget livery. Delta Airlines would go on to purchase Northeast Airlines in 1972, but due to the aircraft being purchased in 1971 by a private owner, this aircraft would not be reunited with its former company. As stated before, this aircraft was purchased in 1971. This time not for an airline, but to be used as a private aircraft for Richard Scaife, who is the principal heir of the Mellon fortune in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. The aircraft received the livery shown in these photos and was re-registered as November 8860. Mr. Scaife would use this aircraft as his personal airplane for the rest of his life, which ended in 2014. In 2015, this aircraft was purchased by radio and TV personality Glenn Beck. He, like Mr. Scaife before him, used this aircraft as his personal transportation. Mr. Beck was forced to sell his aircraft in 2019 when he fell on hard financial times. At this point, outside of military jet aircraft, this airplane was believed to be the oldest flying jet airliner in the world. Between 2019 and the present, the aircraft went through a couple of owners, but is now in storage at the Aeropuerto Internacional de Saltillo in Ramos Arizpe, Coa, Mexico, where it waits either a new operator or the scrapper's blade. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit those like buttons and tell your friends and family about us. We hope you've enjoyed this video as much as we've had making it. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. Thank you, and good day.